Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. This is the second part of my simple stylized robot modeling and texturing tutorial. This video covers the process of texturing and hand painting the robot in Substance Painter. Let's get started. I start baking by setting my subsampling to 4x4 and getting the highest possible amount of rays on all tabs except for material ID. I want to remind you that my padding is set to 16 and the overall resolution is 2K. I use the modified version of the steel painted scraped green preset material. I alter its color and balance tab, and I also make the second lighter version of it to highlight some key elements of our robot. I also create two more versions of the material for robot's limbs and increase their balance to increase the amount of paint left on them. I use the default rubber dry material as I paint limb connectors, and also use the same material with a slightly modified color to paint robot's legs and boots. Next I create a fill layer with a reduced height, apply a black mask to it, add a paint layer, and paint some kind of metal seams. I paint with lazy mouse effect enabled and its distance set to 3. Also I create the lighter version of my main material and paint some patches situated between seams. I repeat the same process with other parts of my robot's body. This time I add an almost transparent black paint layer in order to highlight my seams. You don't have to worry about painting surfaces that shouldn't be painted. You can always fix it by applying a black mask to the folder. For robot's eyes, I use the pre-made plastic dusty material. I reduce the amount of dust and dirt, enable the emission layer, reduce the roughness of plastic, and finally add emission to both plastic and dust. Emission colors of dust and dirt shall be close to black for them to be visible on glowing surfaces. Unfortunately, I didn't record the process of concealing seams for this video. Sorry for this, guys. I did it by using the stamp tool on a paint layer that had its blending options set to pass through. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any value from this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day.